Concrete is everywhere, from the towering skyscrapers that define our city skylines to the humble sidewalks we walk on every day. Concrete is an integral part of our built environment. It's the foundation of our homes, providing the stability and strength needed to support the structures where we live, work, and play. The pavement beneath our feet, guiding us safely as we navigate through our daily routines, is made of this resilient material. And the bridges that connect our cities, allowing us to traverse rivers and valleys, are feats of engineering made possible by concrete. This versatile material is essential to modern construction. Its adaptability and strength make it the go-to choice for a wide range of projects, from small-scale residential builds to massive infrastructure developments. Mixing concrete may seem like a daunting task, but it's actually a straightforward process that anyone can learn. With the right ingredients and a bit of patience, you can create a mixture that is both strong and durable. With the right knowledge and a bit of practice, you can create strong and durable concrete for all your projects. The key is understanding the proportions and the mixing process to ensure the best results. Understanding the basics of concrete mixing is crucial whether you're a DIY enthusiast tackling a backyard project or a homeowner overseeing a larger construction job. Knowing how to mix concrete correctly can save you time, money, and effort in the long run. Knowing how to mix concrete correctly ensures you get the desired strength, durability, and workability for a successful outcome. The consistency of the mix, the curing time, and the environmental conditions all play a role in the final product. Let's dive into the essentials and demystify the art of concrete mixing. We'll explore the different types of concrete, the materials you'll need, and the step-by-step process to achieve the perfect mix. Whether you're building a new patio, repairing a driveway, or constructing a foundation, mastering the art of concrete mixing is a valuable skill that will serve you well in all your construction endeavors.
Before you begin mixing, it's important to gather all the necessary materials. Concrete is made up of 4 main ingredients: cement, water, aggregates, and sometimes admixtures. Cement is the binding agent that holds everything together. It comes in large bags and should be stored in a dry place to prevent it from hardening.
Water is needed to activate the cement and create a workable mixture. Aggregates, like sand and gravel, make up the bulk of the concrete and provide strength and stability. Admixtures are optional ingredients that can be added to modify the properties of the concrete, such as its workability, setting time, or durability.
The ratio of these ingredients determines the strength and durability of the concrete. Concrete is a composite material composed of fine and coarse aggregate bonded together with a fluid cement that hardens over time. The proportions of these ingredients are crucial in determining the final properties of the concrete. By adjusting the ratios, we can tailor the concrete to meet specific needs, whether it be for a simple patio or a high-strength foundation. A general-purpose concrete mix for patios, walkways, and other non-structural applications typically consists of a 1:2:3 ratio. This is a common mix that provides adequate strength for everyday use without the need for specialized materials or techniques. The 1:2:3 ratio is easy to remember and simple to mix, making it a popular choice for DIY projects and small-scale construction. This means 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 3 parts gravel. The cement acts as the binder, holding the sand and gravel together once it hardens. The sand fills in the gaps between the gravel, creating a dense and compact mixture. This combination ensures that the concrete is strong enough to withstand everyday wear and tear while being easy to work with. For projects requiring higher strength like foundations and retaining walls, a 1:2:2 ratio or even a 1:1.5 to 2.5 ratio might be necessary. These ratios increase the amount of cement relative to the aggregate, resulting in a stronger and more durable concrete. High-strength concrete is essential for structural applications where the concrete must support significant loads or resist harsh environmental conditions. These mixes use more cement and less aggregate for increased strength. The higher cement content provides a stronger bond between the aggregate particles, enhancing the overall strength and durability of the concrete. This is particularly important in areas with heavy traffic, or where the concrete will be exposed to extreme weather conditions. It's always best to consult with a professional or refer to concrete mix guidelines for your specific project requirements. Professionals can provide valuable insights and recommendations based on the specific conditions and requirements of your project. They can also help you choose the right materials and mix ratios to ensure the best possible results. Whether you're working on a small DIY project or a large-scale construction job, getting the mix right is crucial for the success and longevity of your concrete structures.
Section 4. Measuring with precision, the key to consistent results. Accurate measurement is crucial when mixing concrete. Using too much or too little of any ingredient can significantly impact the quality of the final product.
For smaller projects, you can use buckets or shovels to measure out the ingredients according to the desired ratio.
For larger projects, it's more efficient and accurate to use a wheelbarrow and a measuring tape to ensure precise proportions. Remember, consistency is key in concrete mixing. Using the same measuring tools and techniques for each batch will help maintain consistency and ensure the desired results.
Section 5. Dry mixing, combining the ingredients for a solid base. Once you have your materials measured out, it's time to start mixing. This step is essential to ensure that the final concrete mix is strong and durable. The right proportions of cement, sand, and gravel are key to achieving the desired consistency and strength. Begin by dry mixing the cement, sand, and gravel. This process involves combining these dry ingredients before any water is added. You can do this in a wheelbarrow, a mixing tub, or on a clean, flat surface. Each method has its advantages, depending on the scale of your project and the tools you have available. On a clean, flat surface, you have more room to spread out the materials and ensure an even mix. This is particularly useful for larger batches. Use a shovel or a hoe to thoroughly combine the dry ingredients. The goal is to achieve a uniform color and texture throughout the mixture. This means that the cement should be evenly distributed among the sand and gravel. This dry mixing step is crucial as it ensures that the cement is evenly distributed throughout the aggregates. Uneven distribution can lead to weak spots in the final concrete, which can compromise the integrity of your structure. Proper dry mixing creates a solid foundation for the concrete and prevents clumping when water is added. Clumps can create air pockets and weak points in the concrete, which can lead to cracks and other issues down the line. Take your time and mix thoroughly until there are no visible streaks of cement or pockets of unmixed aggregates. This attention to detail at the dry mixing stage will pay off in the long run, ensuring a strong and durable concrete base for your project. Remember, the quality of your mix directly impacts the quality of your final product, so don't rush this step. Patience and thoroughness are key to achieving the best results.